Welcome, and from me is a Samsung Galaxy A21s, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. Now to get started, let's go into the settings. From here scroll down to device care, and then here we should have storage right over here, and then you can access from here the SD card. Let's actually go into advanced, there we go. And now SD card, and from here we have the format option. Now when you choose that, it will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from your card. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you don't want to, or you have already done it, tap on format and simply wait for the process to finish. Now this takes only a couple of seconds and it's probably about done. There we go. So tap on done and you're finished. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.